In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Shopify store, and we'll be doing this efficiently in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned e-commerce pro or just starting out, knowing how to back up your store is crucial for safeguarding your business data and ensuring continuity in case of any disruptions. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, you need to head over to Shopify. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Shopify website. This is the home of all your store operations, and from here, you'll be able to manage everything related to your e-commerce business. Once you're on the Shopify main page, you'll need to log into your Shopify admin panel. Enter your credentials, that's your email and password, to access the back end of your store. It's a good idea to ensure you've entered this information correctly, as any mistake could prevent you from accessing the necessary admin tools. Now that you're in, you'll want to decide what data you would like to back up. For the purposes of this example, let's say we want to back up our products. You can select other types of data like customers or orders if that's what you need, but our focus here will be on products. This is a good practice because your product data is crucial for your store's operation, and you want to have a copy available just in case. Once you've decided that, you need to make another decision. Do you want to export all your product data or just specific items? If you have a large inventory, you might want to back up everything to be thorough. However, if you're only concerned with recent additions or changes, exporting specific items is also an option. For most users, exporting all data provides the best security. Next, you'll choose a format for your data. For Shopify, exporting as a CSV file is typically the best option. This format is compatible with Excel, Numbers, Google Sheets, and other spreadsheet programs, making it easy to access and manage your data on any platform. With your selections made, it's time to click the Export button. This will start the download process for your CSV file. Depending on the size of your data, the download may take a few seconds to a couple of minutes. Once the download is complete, you'll have a copy of your product data right on your device. Finally, make sure to save the downloaded CSV file in a secure location. This could be directly on your computer or in a cloud storage service like Google Drive or Dropbox for easy access and additional security. Regularly backing up and storing your files securely ensures that your business data is safe and easily retrievable whenever you might need it. That's all there is to it. You've successfully backed up your Shopify store.